Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria, and many times words have different meanings. Many times you have a communication gap with somebody, and the reason is because words can mean different things. And I'm reminded of a beautiful story. Once there was an Indian businessman, he was going to Japan for business, and he was meeting this Japanese man, Mr. Suzuki. He was a very good man, and this Japanese man, Mr. Suzuki, who they call Suzuki-san out of respect. The way in India we had G, the Japanese had san. So Japan is a very rich culture, and he goes and he enjoys some dinner. And after dinner is over, the Japanese man, Suzuki-san, asks the Indian man, "Would you like a mochi?" Now the Indian man looks a little confused because he doesn't need a mochi. In India, a mochi means a cobbler, and he says, "No, I don't need a mochi. As far as I remember, my shoes are perfectly fine." Again, the Japanese iron master, he says, "No, you really don't want a mochi?" And the Indian man looks a little confused. He gets up, goes outside, because in traditional Japanese homes, you remove the shoes outside the house the way you do in Indian homes. And he looks at his shoes, and his shoes are perfect. He says, "No, my shoes," the Indian man says to the Japanese man, "No, my shoes are perfect, Suzuki-san. I really don't need a mochi." And the Japanese man again insists. He says, "No, you should get a mochi. You should try a mochi." And the Indian man is confused. He says, "No, I don't need a cobbler." And the Japanese man says, "No, wait. I'll get you what I'm talking about." And he goes to the kitchen and he brings a plate. And on the plate, there's a beautiful round thing. And the Japanese man, the Indian man looks at the round thing. He says, "This is a mochi." And the Japanese man nods. He says, "This is a mochi." So the Indian man starts laughing. And he takes a spoon and he tastes the mochi, and it tastes beautiful. It's a beautiful Japanese ice cream, the mochi ice cream. And the Indian man starts laughing. The Japanese man starts laughing. And the Japanese man understands that in India, in Hindi, a mochi is a cobbler, while in Japan, mochi is an ice cream. And this is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful story because this happens so many times in life. You say something, the other person understands something, and sometimes you have an argument, sometimes you have a conflict. Break those arguments, break those conflicts by connecting on a deeper level. It happens at work. Two people, there's miscommunication, and today with work, with business, or even life, with relationships, just connect on a deeper level. Move beyond words, because many times words can be confusing, but when you connect to a heart-to-heart level, you can understand more. And also, if you get a chance, do try some mochi ice cream. It's very delicious. Take care. Best of luck. Have a beautiful evening or day, and I shall see you soon.